What a beautiful day it is here in Atlanta, Georgia. So glad to be out shooting this video and talking about outdoors. We're going to talk about this camping electric lighter by a company called MEIRUBY. So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And yes, these electric lighters are very popular. A lot of different styles, different colors to choose from. And MEIRUBY, which I've tested some of their others, have certainly got quite a number of different styles to choose from. This is the M16, and what makes this one kind of cool and a little bit different is that they have these outer shelves that you can easily take and remove the electric lighter part and swap it out, and then you put it into a new casing. So they got, I recall, a camouflage and some other colors as well, so you could choose what fits you best, and you could check it out in the description as well as in the comment section with the link to the product and see which one fits you best. Now, what else is included? You also have the micro USB cable, small one, and then you also have a lanyard so you can easily wrap it on your neck and carry it with you. Now, as far as this product, it is IP67 waterproof rating, also anti-drop. Now, as far as the waterproof testing, I initially had run it under the sink because I really wanted to put it to the test. So while it did work continuously after that, it was acting up kind of funny. So it certainly can handle getting wet and rain, but if you're gonna put it under heavy water, that's not what it's best suited for. So just as I learned that when doing the testing. Also, as far as charging, it does take about an hour and a half of charging. There is a light up, it does light up when it's charging, and when it's done on the back, it does light up. And then also on the back here is where you would charge up the lighter as well. And then this button, you just press, hold it, and there you go. You could see how it lights up very quickly and instantly. And now you can just use this for different types of items. I don't think for anything very thick it's gonna work, but in this case, we'll go ahead and light this candle so you can see. We'll go ahead and get that lit. So there you go. It did get the candle. It's a little windy out here. Oh, the candle's still going, but it can light a candle, and it should. I guess with the wind it's knocking that out, but let's go ahead and put this little stick in here so you could see it's actually catching fire, the stick, a little bit. And it does auto shut off after about 10 seconds or so. Now, it does mention that it does get approximately 600 uses on a charge. Now, I would say if you're using it for a quick split second or two, could you get 600 charges? I didn't get anywhere close to that, but I did find it did last, for a good 15, 20 uses. Again, holding the button down longer as I was just demonstrating it there, trying to light the stick and also the candle. So it does work. It's just, it can go pretty quick if you're holding that power button down very quickly or for a long period of time, but there you go. So finally got it lit and you're good to go. So do check it out. This is the MEIRUBY, the M16 rechargeable lighter. And if you're environmentally conscious, this could be a good way to go to, because you're not having to replace those that you're using, traditional fluid for your lighter. So I appreciate your time. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.